Right. Welcome to you all to this Swami Case Talk. Once again, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Click on bell symbol to get the updates from us. So this video brings you an information about COVID-19 vaccine. Oh my God, super news it is. All the country, many countries are waiting. All the globe is waiting for this vaccine. Which countries are leading in that? What is vaccine? So we know that many diseases we eradicated from this world successfully with vaccine. So still every common being is waiting for that. What governments are doing, what WHO is doing, what the country's supreme medical agencies, what they are doing in this. First, when it comes to the vaccine, Britain, they started doing the vaccine first. So we know that what happened, first phase, second phase, clinical trials over, and when it comes to the third phase of clinical trials, there are some objections that they got from the public side, because the objection is they are not checking or more among the people on that. So that is it is under in the trial run only. Okay, so when it comes to the Americans, so just recently Donald Trump described directly they are going to distribute the vaccine to the people freely, that to Americans first. So those who are in the frontline warriors, especially doctors, police, all these nurses, so such people are going to get that first vaccine. So what is that vaccine? Which, so that is made from American company called Pfizer, and whereas the German company BioNTech, both companies together they made this vaccine, Pfizer vaccine normally they are calling. So December month they are going to distribute. That is the first vaccine to be given to the public. So that is what happened here. So that vaccine, what is the efficiency of that vaccine is 95% it is showing the efficiency. Whereas the Britain, Canada and USA, many countries approved it. Even also Britain ordered the dose, that means 8 lakh dose per month to distribute to the people. That is about Pfizer company's vaccine. When it comes to the second US based company Moderna, so their efficiency is 94.5. This is also under clinical trials only, but the reviews, it is also under review. That means so many countries are showing interest in studying the vaccine, whether it works or not, what type of they made. Okay, so finally AstraZeneca also they brought, this is brought from the Britain. This is under trial. The data is also given to the public in their study, for their study. Efficiency is AstraZeneca 90%. Okay, so one more American company Johnson and Johnson is also going to bring down a vaccine for COVID-19 coronavirus. So that vaccine is going to be released in the T20, that means 2020, end of the T20. So third stage of clinical trials also they finished, and they are going to approve for the World Health Organization, all this. So this is, then where is India's vaccine? In this case, where is India's vaccine? When it will be released? When does India get that? So when it comes to the India also reviewing the other countries' vaccines, especially AstraZeneca is also there. Pfizer company's Pfizer vaccine is also, we are reviewing. We got the data, and ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research, and the National Institute of Virology. So these are the companies, they are studying that whether it can be given in India or not. So that is about. When it comes to the India, where is India in the vaccine race? So completely recently Narendra Modi's visit to the Hyderabad, so described that there is a vaccine which are going to be made in Hyderabad. So Bharat Biotech, Covaxin, the name of that vaccine is Covaxin they mentioned. So ICMR and National Institute of Virology together with the collaboration of these two companies, Bharat Biotech is making that. This is the most indigenous inactivated vaccine. Most of the vaccines are inactivated, that means the disease causing germs will be killed in that or inactive stage, that will be given as a vaccine. That is to produce the antibodies, to give immunity, to boost up the immunity. So that is. So we are expecting this vaccine to be released in the July 2020. F2 phase 2, phase 3 it is under trial run. Phase 2 completed. Phase 2, this vaccine they are going to check on the huge number of people, that is at least 26,000. So this is also under trial. So DGC, High Drug Control Authority General, it is under approval. Afterwards it will be taken to the WHO approval, then after FDA approval, then it will be released. So Indians are expecting this vaccine to be released in the April or July month. Okay? So this is about the many people, what the COVID pandemic taught many lessons to the people. Yes or no? Social distance, hand sanitizers, so wearing mask mandatory we did, but everybody is waiting for the vaccine. So let us see when the vaccine gets supplied to the people. Okay, so this is about the information. So when it comes to the WHO, what is the WHO? Just they are asking only WHO's 70% efficiency is enough for every vaccine. So but our vaccines which we made now, AstraZeneca you take, Pfizer's vaccine you take, so these are 94-95% efficiency it is showing. So vaccine 50% it is enough almost according to the expert survey. 50% efficiency of that vaccine is enough. Remaining 50% human body can develop itself. That is the thing which is happening. So let us see Russia's vaccine 91% accurate it is there. So whereas Pfizer's 95% is there. So whereas US Moderna's 94.5% efficiency they showed. But WHO is telling 70% will be the efficiency will be enough to give that vaccine. So remaining human can develop himself. So this is about vaccine and under trials. So what is going to be happen about the vaccine when India gets its vaccine. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel KVSS Sami and like, share, comment and click on the bell symbol.